Hey foodies, how's it going? Today we are making baby back ribs. Now yes, I did make baby back ribs in a short. Well, that was with the Instapot and the oven. Now this time it's just the oven. Now this already has sauce, so we don't have to worry about that. That's one less thing we have to worry about extra and buy. So we are cooking two because we want to have leftovers for the next day. So what you're going to do is you're going to get your pan. You're gonna get some tinfoil oil. So here you are, the ribs. Now on the back of these ribs, they have directions. So we'll show you the same thing. Next. The ribs are finished, so we're gonna try them for the final review. Very good.